Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to wire up a Cat5 cable, or otherwise known as an Ethernet cable. So let's get started. What you're going to need is your plastic connector, crimpers, wire cutters, if you've got one, a Cat5 cable stripper, cable tester, and obviously your Cat5 cable. So let's get started. You first have to strip it down, as simple as that. If you've got one of these, you can just use your wire cutters, but obviously that's not the simplest way, and you'd risk damaging the cable on the inside if you do it that way. So just fold the 4 branches out like that and untwist them. I'll do this as quick as I can for you. Just simply untwist them, and you want to straighten them out as much as you can by pressing them between your finger and your thumb. And then we're just going to sort them out into the correct order for actually making the cable work. Obviously this won't work if you want to just connect two computers directly together, because you need a crossover cable. Right, so now you've got them straightened out as much as they'll go. You want to start with orange and white. So you get your orange and white, then it's orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. So you should have something that looks roughly like that. Orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. Try and get them as straight as you can so you can see them. Orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. Right, so then you want to get your thumb, go about a centimetre up, and then add a little tiny bit more, and simply chop it off. All the excess. Then should have something that looks like that. Obviously I've just done that and probably lost all the order. Orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. No, I haven't. So now simply get your plastic connector, make sure it's upside down so the clip bit is at the bottom. You're going to place that at the bottom and put the brown to the right and the orange and white to the left. These should simply slide in there, no problem. Right, so they're now slid in there, and then try and push the plastic past this little clip here, right at the back, because obviously that is what grips the cable and keeps it in. So you want to get your crimpers, just pop it in and squeeze. Make sure that's nice and stuck. That's not going anywhere. There we go. That's now firmly connected up. So let's now get a cable tester, pop it in. And you can safely see that that is working absolutely fine. If it wasn't, the light would be flashing in the wrong order. So thanks for watching this video. Like it, subscribe, comment, and if you need to know another time, show your friends, do whatever you got to do, and I hope to see you again.